Hey everyone, the given question is from EMI. The question is from JEE Advanced 2023 paper 1. So the question goes like this: a thin conducting rod Mn of mass 20 grams and 25 centimeters and resistance 10 ohms is held on a frictionless long perfectly conducting vertical rails as shown in the figure. Right, okay. So there is a uniform magnetic field B naught equals to 4 Tesla directed perpendicular to the plane of the rod rail arrangement. The rod is released from rest at time t equals to 0 and it moves down along the rails. Assume air drag is negligible. Match each quantity in list 1 with an appropriate value from list 2 and choose the correct options. Okay, so first let's calculate the velocity. So let's like the force equation would be mg minus bil is equals to m dv by dt. Okay, you have mg, your I is equals to again bl v by r, so it's basically b square l square by r into v, that is equals to m dv by dt. Okay, so now we'll multiply by r square into b square l square, so get mg r by b square l square, so mg r b square mg r by b square l square, right? That minus v is equals to m r by b square l square into dv by dt. So from here we can say that b square l square by m r, right, that into dt is equals to dv by mgr b square l square minus v. Now b square l square upon mr is equals to, the b is 4 and l is 1 by 4 whole square, m is your 20 grams, so into 1000, and resistance is 10. So this thing is equal to 1, this whole thing is equal to 5. So we have 5 into t is equals to integral 0 to v dv. This thing is 2 minus v. Okay, so from here we can, on calculations and everything, v comes out to be 2 into 1 minus e to the power minus 5t, and v at t equals to 0.2 seconds is equals to 2 into 1 minus 0.4, and that is equal to 1.2 meters per second. Right, now the magnitude of induced EMF, okay, induced EMF is equals to bv into l. Bl is equals to 1, right? So it is equals to velocity. So EMF is equals to velocity, not in terms of dimensions, just in terms of the magnitude, and that is volt. So it goes with option number 3. Okay, it's either option B or D is the right answer. Next they are asking for the magnetic force, that is equal to BIL sine theta, that theta is 90 degrees, so I'm not going to measure it. So 4 into BL is equal to 1, right? I is equals to BVL by R. Now BL is equals to 1, it's V by R, 1.2 by 10, that is equals to 0.12 newtons. So option 4 goes with this. From here we can say D is the right answer. And the power dissipated, if you want to calculate the power dissipated, it is equal to epsilon square by r, and epsilon square is basically 1.2 into 1.2 by 10, so it is 0.144, right? So 0.14, so it goes with option number 2. And the terminal velocity, the magnitude of terminal velocity, so that is basically when mg is equals to bil, right? That is when we'll have the terminal velocity, that is b square l square by r into v is equals to mg. So we have your v terminal to be equal to mgr by b square l square, this is equal to 1. M is equals to 20 grams, 20 by 1000, into g is 10, this is 10, so this thing is equal to 2. You have 2 as your terminal velocity, is option 5. So option D is the right answer to this question. Thank you.